What's up, y'all? Lacey here on a Friday night. Hope you're all doing good. I'm chilling. It's been a long ass week and I'm having a few adult beverages. Did you hear that? I love that sound. Some people hate it. The cicadas, whatever, whatever you call them. I love that sound. I love summer. Like, I love summer. Those have just always been like a summer thing. They just started like, I don't know, maybe last week, less than a week ago, really. But, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, this car has had an eventful week. It really has. A very eventful 2 weeks because that's when I raced that dude in that BMW. We weren't racing, per se. We were just taking a couple pulls, officer. Just seeing what our cars could do, trying to keep the harmony going like music, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so this video went viral that I did. 2 million views it hit today. I mean, that is absolutely crazy, dude. Like, I never, ever would have thought any of my videos would even hit 1 million views. But 2 million, that's just stupid. Oh my gosh. I guess y'all want to see girls racing guys in BMWs. Oh, it was a nice BMW. The comments are like, oh my God. So many there's a lot of BMW lovers, I'll tell you that. And let me just preface, guys, I respect that car. That's a 90s car, naturally aspirated, sounded fantastic. I got lots of respect. I take that bitch as a daily. I daily the fuck out of that car. I take it all day long. I said that in the comments. And I actually like that color blue. I like that color blue. So yeah, mad respect. But you got an old 1990s car. I don't know what he had done to it. I'm sure he's done something to it because it was quick. I mean, you know, just you have a 90s car like that going up against a 2025 4-cylinder turbo, state-of-the-art everything. And then I've added shit to it. Intercooler, radiator, high volume intake, the Infinity design, turbo inlet pipe kit. Got that on there. I did Honda. I mean, right there, dude. Honda, it's at like 30, 40 horsepower or some shit. So yeah, the BMW is going up against a car with more technology, you know? I mean, just a new car. Anyway, I totally forgot where I was going with the conversation. Where the f*** was I? Like, it's totally gone. Like, it is f***ing at the back of the file room. Anyway, yeah, that BMW was badass. So, it was fun. We had a good time. This car has gotten lots of attention. I love the attention this car brings. I get to meet so many cool people. Like, I've met like 5 people this week. Like, I met one dude that like does track nights. I'm still waiting on you to DM me, by the way. He has some kind of in with track nights at not Atlanta Motor Speedway, Road Atlanta. So if he's out there, I want to talk to you about racing. The Type R, man, this car just, it's so unique. That's what I love about like the Nissan GTR. You know, that's a badass car. How many of those things do you see around, you know? I mean, you pass Corvettes and Mustangs and shit like every 2 minutes. But how often do you actually see a Type R? You don't see a lot of them because they're limited. Turn back on light. Come on, man. Studio malfunction. This is my studio, dude. Yeah, I mean, having a car that's unique, that not everybody has, is cool. And it's a limited edition car. It's a numbered car, which is cool. Man, that is going down good after a rough ass week. Yeah, it was fun. It's been great. So yeah, this just popped in my head. You guys know, if you got a nice car and you're at the gas station, how many times do you meet somebody at the fucking gas pump that strikes up a random ass conversation with you about a nice car, and that's a sweet car, and you know, pretty car. Just, you say thank you, and then they might say, oh, you know, what year is it? And then it just goes from there. And I've made some like real connections with that shit. Just meeting people, not like hook up connections, although that could happen too, I guess. No, it's just, you know, connections. We'll just say that. It's yeah, the gas pump, just meeting people with your baby, you know. You put money and your heart and soul into the car and make it as nice as you can, and people notice it, and it strikes up conversation. This light, dude. I know there's a setting on the thing. I just need to get my lazy ass and make it so the it stays on with the switch and not the motion. Anyway, where's it going with this? Damn it. I need another drink. Dude, there's like nobody home right now. Wake up, Lacey. Jesus Christ, dude. But yeah, for real. Like, you meet some cool people at the gas pump, and your car initiates that. Your car is the spark that ignites that path or whatever in your life. It's pretty cool. All right, Miss Type R, say goodnight. It's late on a Friday night. Y'all keep it between the ditches now. Don't you go riding outside them ditches, okay? I got my eye on you. All right, girl. Peace. Love y'all.